Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the problem related to consignment of abnormal loss. So let's see the meaning of abnormal loss. Abnormal loss is that loss which is avoidable and which does not arise due to the nature of goods. Such loss is caused due to fire, theft, pilferage, etc. The value of abnormal loss is calculated in the same way as the value of unsold stock. So let's see the question of this abnormal loss. Prakash of Hyderabad consigns to Vijay of Vijayawada. So Prakash is the consigner and Vijay is the consignee. 50 cases of goods at a cost of 5,000 per case. Prakash incurred the following expenses: freight 4,500, insurance 12,500, Vijay paid cartage 2,000 and rent 2,280. 4 cases were destroyed. Out of 50, how many destroyed? 4 cases were destroyed. In transmit, and sum of 15,000 is agreed by the insurance company as compensation. Out of 46 cases, 36 were sold for 6,000. 46 how means out of 50 we are getting the loss. How many goods destroyed? 4 goods are destroyed, so 46 are remaining. Out of 46, 36 cases were sold for 66,000 each. Vijay is entitled for a commission of 5% on sales and send the bank draft for full settlement of account. Show consignment account and Vijay account in the books of Prakash. So let's see the solution of this. Pro forma debit credit consignment account. Prakash is the consigner. So first entry we have to make to goods sent on consignment. How many goods have been sent? 50. 50 goods at the rate of 5,000 has been sent. So you can see 50 into 5,000, it's come to 2,50,000. Next, to cash account expenses 4,000 for 500 plus 12,500. Here it's there 4,500 for freight and for insurance 12,500. This is the expenses of consigner. So next, moving on to consignee expenses. To Vijay account expenses of consignee 2,000 and 2,280. So we have to add and write it here. Next, to Vijay account commission 21,600 into 5 by 100. We will get commission na 21,600 into 5 by 100 we have to do. To the expenses of 21,600 into 5%. Here it's there. Settlement. Vijay is entitled for a commission of 5% on sales. And what is the sales amount? 2,16,000 by Vijay account. From how, where we are getting means 36,000. 36, what is 36 means? This is the unsold stock, no? They have sold out of 46, they have sold 36 stock. From that we have to multiply 36 into 6,000, 2,16,000. We have to multiply, then 10,800. So we have to write here same by abnormal loss. How we are getting this abnormal loss means we have calculated here. Number of cases are 50, damaged cases are 4. If we are deducting, then we are getting 46, then sold cases are 36, unsold cases are 10. Next, abnormal loss 4 cases at the rate 5,000, 2,000 plus expenses of consigner 1360, 17,000. This is the formula, expenses into damage by total. What are the expenses of consignee? 17,000. Here it's there 17,000. From this we have to do 17,000 into damaged goods are how many? 4 divided by total goods 50. So we are getting 21360. We have to add, then we will get this. Unsold stock, 10 cases are unsold stock. You can see here. We have to divide it by 5,000, then we will get 50,000. Minus we have to do, this is the consignor, 17,000 into 10 by 50. Expenses of consignor into unsold stock divided by total stock, then we will get 34,000. Then consignee expenses into unsold stock by stock destroyed after deducting, then we will get 46. Then we have to write, after adding this we will get some amount. So this is the abnormal loss we have to write. By consignment stock account 53835, if it will less in debit side, so it means it comes to profit. If this is less in credit side, then we have to write loss. So we are getting profit as 9115. So we have to do the total, whichever the highest amount, both the sides we have to write 2,91,195. Next, moving on to consignee account. Pro forma is here also same. To consignment account 2,16,000 we have to write. Debit will going to be credited and credit will going to be debited in this account. So next we have to write all the consignee expenses here. To Vijay account 4,280 here same. Next, by consignment account 10,800 10,800. By bank balance carry down, we have to deduct from highest 2,16,000. we have to deduct these three amounts, we will get this amount. Next, moving on to goods sent on consignment. These are the working notes of this solution. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.